So students, here we are going to start exercise 8B. Again, very good morning to all. Those students are joining late. So here question number exercise 8B, question number 6. So all of you just check one time question number 6. In an examination, Piyush scored 490 marks. Okay. And if he scored 70% marks, then what is the maximum marks? Means in this question says like Piyush scored 490 marks. This is the marks, and this is the percentage में convert करो तो percentage में कितना दे रखा है? That is 70% marks. 70% marks. But total marks है ना, पेपर कितने का हुआ था वो पूछा है. So we don't know how many marks paper is there. So we can consider the paper, the total marks or the maximum marks is X. Okay, the maximum marks is X. So can I write down like this? Let the maximum marks is X. Maximum marks is X. So 70% of X, 70% of X, that is equals to 490. This is also Piyush marks and this is also Piyush marks, but this is in the term of percentage and this is in the term of number. So from this equation we need to find out the value of X. हमें क्या find करना है? हमें ये find करना है what is the value of X. So can I write down like this? 70% means 70 upon 100. Of means multiply. X is equals to 490. Correct? Now X is equals to, I think all of you understood now. मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ? That one reciprocal this side. अगर मैं उस तरफ ले जाऊँ तो that will be reciprocal. So that means we can say 100 upon 70, and the answer will be 0 से 0 cut, 7, that is cancel out by 7 ja. So X is equals to 7 into 100, 700. That means we can say paper कितना का था? 700. So we can say the maximum marks is 700. That is your complete answer. Okay, all of you understood? Show me your thumbs up one time. Very nice. So I hope all of you understood. Now we'll move next question. Question number 7. So in question number 7, let's see. Calculations. Question number 7. Calculations show that an angle is 37 and 1 upon 2 degree. The side obtained by drawing and measurement is 35 degree. So find the error percentage. Okay. So try to understand the question. Question कुछ इस तरीके से है. I told you have to measure one angle that is 37 and 1 upon 2 degree. Okay. But by mistake you measured like 35 degree. So what is the error percentage? आपने कितना error इसमें निकाला? Percentage में निकालना है. So if you remember one formula I told you in question number 7, one formula I told you in percentage error. Percentage error निकालने का मैंने एक formula बताया था. What is the formula? Formula is the difference between the error. That means 37 and 1 upon 2 degree minus 35 degree. So let's see, first of all, 37 and 1 upon 2 minus 35 upon original value. Original value क्या है? 37 and 1 upon 2 degree. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. So that means we can say and give percentage sign. Yes. अब इसको कॉमन सेंस में आप माइनस कर लो. कोई लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, ये नहीं करना है. कॉमन सेंस वाइज आप माइनस कर लो. 37 and 1 upon 2 minus 35, how many? 2.5. Very nice. Upon 37 and 1 upon 2 degree multiply by 100 and percentage sign. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5 upon 2. Again sorry, 37 and 2 74 plus 1 75 upon 2 multiply by 100 is equals to. अब देखो 2 से 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हो आप, and this is we can say 5 1 ja 5, 5 15 ja. So here we can say 1 upon 15 multiply by 100. Again cancel out. 5 3 is the 15, and here 5 20 is 100. Give bracket and percentage sign. So that is how many? 20 upon 3 percentage. And if you convert into mixed fraction, then answer will come 6 2 upon 3 percentage. That is your complete answer. Okay, got it all of you? Very simple. First of all, you need to minus this. After that, simple calculation is there. Simple calculation. Okay. So if you want to write down this question, no issue, write down. After that, we'll move next question. Question number 8. Okay, so in question number 8, chalk contains, जो आपका chalks होते हैं ना, वो chalk एक कोई compound से नहीं बनता है. We can say we are using calcium, we are using carbon, we are using oxygen also. So question says chalk contains 10% calcium, 3% like carbon and 12% oxygen. मैं यहाँ पे लिख भी देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. Calcium is given 10%. Okay. Carbon is given 3%. Okay. And oxygen is given 12%. Your question is find the amount in grams of each of these compounds in 1 kilogram of chalk. 1 किलोग्राम चौक के अंदर आपके पास ये पूछा है कितने ग्राम का कैल्शियम होंगे, कितने ग्राम कार्बन होंगे, कितने ग्राम ऑक्सीजन होंगे. सो हाउ विल फाइंड आउट? एक्चुअली दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन वेरी सिंपल. मैं आपको रियली बता रहा हूं कैसे निकालते. द अमाउंट ऑफ कैल्शियम, फर्स्ट वाला मैं निकाल लूंगा, सेकेंड वाला आपको निकालना है. So the amount of calcium is equals to 10% of 1 kilogram. मत लिख देना. You have to write down 1000 gram because 1 kilogram convert into gram also, because in your question only your question says you have to convert into gram. That's why we can write down here 1000. Now 10%. अब 10% means 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100 of means multiply and 1000. Got it? अब देखो कितना इजी. 0 से 0 कट, 0 से 0 कट. So how many? 10 into 10, 100 gram. That is your first part. Now you have to find out the amount of carbon. The amount of carbon. How many? 3% of 1000. 3% of 1000. All of you find out from all the students. So here 3% means 3 upon 100 multiply by 1000. So 0 से 0 cut, 0 से 0 cut. That means 3 into 10, 30 gram. 30 gram. And if I find out next part, the amount of oxygen. The amount of oxygen is equals to 12%. 12% means 12 upon 100 multiply by 1000. So 0 से 0 cut, 0 से 0 cut. 12 into 10, 120 gram. That is your complete answer. Okay, understood all of you? Very nice. Now we'll move very important question. Not so important question. This is very important question. So all of you be focused. Question number, which one? Question number 9. So question number 9, I will just read the question properly and आपको भी book में concentrate करना है. A candidate scored 25% marks in examination and failed by 30 marks. Okay, and another candidate who got 50% marks and who got 20 marks more than the minimum passing marks. So you have to find out the maximum marks, मतलब पेपर कितने का हुआ है, and you have to find out the minimum marks, मतलब passing marks क्या है. क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से समझना, जो जो चीज दे रखा है मैं एक बार लिखता हूं. Both candidate is there, A candidate and B candidate. A candidate got 25% marks and B candidate got 50% marks. ठीक है. Now A candidate, this is your minimum marks, this is your minimum passing marks. Okay, try to understand. ये आपका क्या है, minimum passing marks. अब मिनिमम पासिंग मार्क्स को पहुंचने के लिए इसको कितना मार्क्स और चाहिए था, 30 मार्क्स. इसने तो 25% मार्क्स इसने तो गेन किया है, और इसको अगर और पास होना है दैट मींस ही नीड 30 मार्क्स मोर. ठीक है. अब देखो बी कैंडिडेट का बात करूं, इसने 50% मार्क्स ऑलरेडी गेन कर चुका है, और अगर इसको पासिंग मार्क्स तक पहुंचना है ना तो इसको कितना माइनस करना है, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स, 20 मार्क्स, बिकॉज ही गॉट 20 मार्क्स मोर देन द पासिंग मार्क्स. सो कैन आई राइट डाउन 50% माइनस 20 मार्क्स, तो ये किस में पहुंच जाएगा, पासिंग मार्क्स में पहुंच जाएगा. और इसको अगर 30 मार्क्स और मिल जाए ना, सो ही आल्सो गॉट मैक्सिमम पासिंग मार्क्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन कंसीडर let the maximum marks is x. जो आपके पेपर है ना, कितना का पेपर हुआ है, x का पेपर हुआ है, टोटल मार्क्स. ठीक है. अब कैन आई राइट डाउन इन कैंडिडेट A the passing marks, minimum passing marks is equals to 25% of x प्लस कितना, 30. ये कैंडिडेट ए के लिए पासिंग मार्क्स है. हाउ मेनी, 25% ऑफ x प्लस 30. नाउ इन कैंडिडेट बी, अच्छे से समझना क्वेश्चंस को. In candidate B, minimum passing marks MP is equals to 50% of x minus 20. अंडरस्टूड. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझो, ये भी पासिंग मार्क्स है और ये भी पासिंग मार्क्स है. तो मैं लिख सकता हूं क्या ऐसे, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू दिस, बिकॉज दोनों ही तो पासिंग मार्क्स है ना, दोनों ही आपका क्या है, पासिंग मार्क्स है. सो कैन आई राइट डाउन लाइक दिस 25%. चलो मैं और एक लाइन में लिख लेता हूं, चलो इसमें लिख लेता हूं, 25% ऑफ x प्लस 30 इज इक्वल्स टू 50% ऑफ x माइनस 20. नाउ yes, now can I write down 25% means 25 upon 100, of means multiply x, got it, plus 30. Here can I write down 50 upon 100 x minus 20, लिख सकता हूं. अब क्या कर रहा हूं, x भाई साहब को एक तरफ और नंबर भाई साहब को एक तरफ. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से 25x को एक टर्म करता हूं, उधर लेके जाता हूं, and minus 20 I will take this side. So minus 20 convert into plus 20, and here we can write down 50x upon 100 है ना, and 25x upon 100 this side. So minus 25x upon 100. Got it? Now see all of you. 30 plus 20 how many? 50. And here take LCM, 100 LCM. 50x minus 25x, 25x. Yes students. Now can I write down like this? 25 cancel out by 4 ja. So here 50 is equals to x upon 4. Now can I write down like this? इस 4 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, x is equals to 50 into 4. So x is equals to how many? 200. मतलब हमें ये पता चल गया what is the maximum marks. So maximum marks is equals to how many? कितने का पेपर हुआ था? That is 200. So we can write down like this. The maximum marks is equals to 200. इतना का पेपर हुआ था. और minimum marks how many? Anyone know what is the minimum marks? So minimum marks is equals to passing marks is equals to, आपको याद है क्या वो इक्वेशन क्या लिखा था मैंने? passing marks is equals to 25%, 25 upon 100 x. अब x की जगह क्या लिखूंगा? 200 प्लस हाउ मेनी? 30. आप कोई से भी इक्वेशन यूज कर सकते हो. 50% ऑफ x माइनस 30, या वी कैन से 25% ऑफ x प्लस 30, है ना, माइनस 20, सॉरी. सो इफ आई राइट डाउन 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 0 से 0 कैंसिल, so 25 into 2 50 plus 30 is equals to 80. That means we can say the minimum passing marks is equals to 80 and maximum passing marks is equals to 200. That is your complete answer. That is very good question. Just check it out properly. So question number 10, all of you see. In question number 10, that is, there are 120 girls. There are 120 girls and 57 boys in a school. Okay, ठीक है sir. If 5% of the girls are leave, 5% total girls का 5% उन्होंने leave कर दिया, and no peoples are admitted. कोई भी, peoples means PUPILs. Peoples means what, you know? Peoples means आपका मतलब student, nothing else, है ना? Now what percentage of whole boys will be, whole school will be boys? मतलब कितना परसेंटेज उस स्कूल का, कितना परसेंटेज आपका बॉयज है, ये पूछ रहे. So first of all we have to write down total number of students in a class, total number of students. but actually इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. इसमें 120 गर्ल्स है, 57 बॉयज है. सबसे पहले हम ये फाइंड कर लेते हैं हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर लिव, है ना. सो ये फाइंड कर लेते नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स लिव. सो हाउ आई फाइंड आउट? 5% of 120, 5% of 120. Let's see, 5% means 5 upon 100 multiply by 120. 0 से 0 cancel out, 5 से 2, 2 से 6. So how many girls leave? 6 girls. 120 में से 6 girls leave कर दिया. So girls कितना remaining है? How many girls are remaining? So can I write down number of girls remaining? Number of girls remaining 120 minus 6, that is 114. ये तो गर्ल्स हमारे स्कूल में है अभी. So how many total students are there? So can I write down total students are 114 plus 57, that is 171. This is the total number of students. अब पूछा क्या है सर? In this question says number of boys, percentage of boys. How many percentage of boys are in our whole school? So if I find out percentage of boys, तो मैं नहीं लिख सकता कि इस तरीके से how many boys? 57 boys. Total students 171 multiply by 100. Okay sir, percentage 57 के टेबल में कितना बच जाता है पता है? 3 times. डायरेक्टली आप चेक कर सकते हो. 57 3 जा. So we can say the answer will be 100 upon 3 percentage, or we can say 33 and 1 upon 3 percentage. That is your question number 10 is done, fully done. Okay, understood all of you? Yes students, got it, very nice. These questions are very easy. अगर आप अच्छे से थोड़ा बहुत concentration करोगे ना, then 100% it is questions is you can solve yourself also. Okay, very nice. So